Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your Islamia session. Today we are going to start the new topic that is called Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Allah created the first man from clay. Allah named him Adam alayhi salam. Allah has created the first man from clay. Clay is a kind of a sand, okay, and and Allah Taala named him Adam alayhi salam. Allah gave him knowledge and talent to do all good things. Allah made Adam alayhi salam his Nabi, his Khalif, and to do his work on earth. Okay, what Allah gave him? Allah gave him knowledge and talent to do good things. And Allah made Adam alayhi salam his Nabi and his Khalif to do his work on earth. Allah commanded all of creation, including the angels, to do sajda to Adam alayhi salam as respect. All of creation bowed down except Shaitan. He was a jinn made of fire and he was proud. He thought that he was superior to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and that he deserved to be Allah's Khalif. Okay. So Allah had, when Allah created Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, he asked all his creation, and even though in for asked angels as well to uh, do sajda sajda to Adam alayhi salam as respect. So all the creation bowed down except Satan, or you may say Shaitan. So because he was a jinn and he made he was a jinn and he made of fire, and he was very proud that he thought that he was very superior to Adam alayhi salam, and that he deserved to be the Khalif of Allah. So Satan was jealous to Adam alayhi salam and hated him. He was very jealous to Adam alayhi salam and he hated him. So Satan did disrespect Nabi of Allah Adam alayhi salam and did not obey Allah's command. Because of disobeying Allah and disrespecting his Nabi, Allah sent Shaitan out of Jannah, the garden of paradise. Okay, so he did disrespect Nabi of Allah, Allah Adam alayhi salam, and did not obey Allah's command. So because of disobeying and disrespecting, so Allah gave him punishment to send him out of Jannah, the garden of paradise. Allah make Hazrat Hawa Razat anha the wife of Adam alayhi salam. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hawa Razat anha were living in Jannah. There was a tree in Jannah. Allah commanded Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa raziyallahu anha not to eat any fruit from that tree. So after that, Allah made Hazrat Hawa raziyallahu anha, and they both live in Jannah. And and there was a tree in Jannah, and Allah told them or command them, do not eat any fruit from that tree. It was called prohibited tree, Shajra Mamnu. Means that they are not allowed to eat any fruit of that tree. Satan is every enemy of ever enemy of human. So the Satan is the ever enemy of human. Being the enemy, Satan tricked Hazrat Hawa anha and Hazrat Adam alayhi salam to eat the fruit of the prohibited tree. For doing this, Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa anha were also sent out of Jannah. So Shaitan played a trick with them, and they played trick with Hazrat Hawa anha and Hazrat Adam alayhi salam to eat the fruit of that tree, the prohibited tree. So when they eat the fruit of that tree, so Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa raziyallahu ta'ala were sent out of Jannah. So Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hawa raziyallahu ta'ala were realized soon, were realized that Satan played tricks and their mistakes. So Adam alayhi salam continued making tawbah to Allah for many years, but was not accepted. So when they sent out of the Jannah, so they realized that Shaitan played trick with them, and and Allah sent Adam alayhi salam and Hawa raziyallahu anha out of Jannah. So Adam alayhi salam continued making tawbah for Allah for many years, but not accepted. He asked for granted, but grant for grant to for forgiveness. So Allah didn't accept it. Then he made tawbah to Allah by wasila of the beloved Prophet, because Allah loves our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam most. He accepted the tawbah of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Then they make the wasila of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah loves him a lot. So then Allah accept their tawbah, or you say for or Allah forgive them. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hawa Razat anha lived many years on earth and had many children. They lived so many years on earth and they have many children. Their children spread all over the world, and their children spread all over the world. All the people of the world are the children of Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa Razat anha, and all the people of the world are the children of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa Razat anha. We all are the children of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa Razat anha. So this is a chapter about Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Now see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.